My name is Natalie Gutierrez, and I live in Oceanside, California. I needed to heal my mind and my body. I was working a full-time job. I decided to end that and go travel to Costa Rica. So living in the jungle, digging holes, harvesting yucca, cutting plantains down, pretty much outdoors 24/7, seeing how mostly everyone's eating whole foods there. Yeah, maybe you're eating rice and beans every day, but dang, you're gonna be feeling a lot better. And also like seeing my body change and how much more my hair was growing and shiny, my eyelashes, just my skin and the energy. It really opened up my mind and the way I look at our food and how we live here in this country. If I allow all this to grow fully till it flowers, then you'll get seeds once the plant kind of dies off. Yummy. So when I came back, I wanted to be intentional with where I decided to put my time. I started working for a microgreens company, teaching people at the farmers markets like how nutrient dense these things were and how to target certain areas of, say you're lacking vitamin C, say you want an anti-cancer compound. I also started working at another flower farm locally in Oceanside. I spent about 3.5 years there learning more about flowers and also educating adults and children. Herbs are the best, people. Like if you have fresh herbs in your garden, it enhances the meal and flavor and nutrients to the top. It's nothing crazy or fancy, but I just want to inspire. We got a lot of little babies. I want to make people feel rewarded in seeing something sprout and being like, hey, that's amazing that I just saw, I planted this and now it's sprouting. Don't be scared if it doesn't fully grow. That's where I come in to kind of educate and be like, hey, I got you, I could teach you. It's all about learning and encouraging and not giving up.